What are the cheapest 20 states to buy in 2023? Let's go through. At the most expensive of the 20, $279,000 in New Mexico, followed by beaches and warm weather in South Carolina at $273. Wisconsin coming in at $262. Lots of history in Pennsylvania, $243,000. State where I spent a couple years, Nebraska, $243. Land of wide open spaces for sure, but the price is right. $242,000 in North Dakota. A little bit rural, a little bit urban. Illinois, $236,000, followed by Missouri at $227. And Indiana at $222. Finishing out the top 10 is Michigan at $218 and friendly Kansas at $210. Alabama at $206 comes in the 9th spot. Ohio at $205, the place where every president wants to go to get to know everybody. Iowa at $200,000. Kentucky breaks our $200,000 mark at number 6 at $190,000. Followed by Oklahoma in 5th at $188,000, where things are largely okay. A place where I'm looking to go and fish in Louisiana, $182,000. I wouldn't have guessed that our number 3, Arkansas at $178,000, has a thriving arts scene. Mississippi comes in at number 2 at $162,000, and now let's check out number 1. Did you guess it? West Virginia takes our top spot, $146,578.